how to connect Pinterest to Shopify. To get started, the first thing that you'll need to do is to open Shopify on your device and sign into your account. To be able to connect Shopify to Pinterest, you'll need to click on the Add Apps button that you'll find below the Apps section. Now in here, go ahead and scroll down and click on Shopify App Store. And this will redirect you to the Shopify App Store. Now in here, go ahead and search for Pinterest using the available search bar. On the results section, go ahead and click on Pinterest. And this will allow you to get redirected to Pinterest app page. So as you can see in here, Pinterest isn't compatible for every country with a Shopify store. It is only compatible with business addresses set in any of these countries, such as Canada, United States, Brazil, United Kingdom, Netherlands, Spain, Italy, Germany, France, Australia, Austria, Belgium, Cyprus, Czechia, Denmark, Finland, Greece, Hungary, Ireland, Luxembourg, Malta, New Zealand, Norway, Poland, Portugal, Romania, Slovakia, Sweden, Switzerland, Mexico, Japan, Argentina, Colombia, or Chile. If it's compatible with your country, you can just go ahead and hit on the install button under Pinterest and connect your Pinterest account to your Shopify account by entering your username and password and authorize the connection between your Pinterest account and your Shopify account.